Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Cornelia with you from Dubai. I really hope you have an amazing day out there. Well, today again I'm very excited because I'm going to take you to an amazing place called the Green Planet, which is basically an indoor tropical forest, and I really hope you're going to enjoy the video. What is it, the Green Planet? It's an actual man-made indoor tropical forest, if you can believe it, in Dubai. It has 3,000 species of plants and animals and is located in City Walk. If you haven't seen my video on that, please click the link above and you're gonna get to know everything about it. Just one more thing before you enjoy the video, I want to mention something very important that is going to be in the video. Is the largest man-made tree in the world. It's 25 meters height. Enjoy the video. I'm so happy that all of you have made it throughout the video with me, and really hope you have enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about it and many other things that you want to actually see so I can go and visit them. Don't forget please to subscribe, like, watch my videos and eventually share it. Until next time, ma salama.